Hi guys, and welcome to Rathwulven Bushcraft. I'm out at the lake today. It's a nice and sunny day, and I got a question for you. If you go out into the woods and into nature and you build your shelter or something else, are you still using hammer and nails, maybe tie ribs? Maybe you're already advanced and you're using cordage or glue made from birch. But do you want to learn how to forget about all of that and start constructing with pieces of wood only? No extra resources needed? Then I'm going to show you a technique. And the only thing that we need for that is the wood we work with and the multi-tool. Let's go. Alright, here we go. As I already said, the only thing we need is 2 pieces of wood. It is very important that those pieces of wood are straight. It does not matter how long they will get. If you build a trapper bed, you can also use 2 to 3 meters of wood there, but they need to be straight. Very important also, make sure that you use dead wood and not living wood, because it's no use cutting down trees just for the sake of building a structure. There's enough dead wood in the woods, so always stick to that. What we will also need, as I said, is the multi-tool. So let's get started. We can use our knife, might be serrated or not. I'm going to use the serrated blade, and I'm going to cut at about a 45-degree angle into the wood, towards the outer direction, just like so. So in the close-up, it should look like this. See? Once this is done, we just carving out a grove. And again in the close-up, just like that. And we're carving out all that's in that grove. And we turn it around and do the same thing. What we will get then is a piece of wood that looks like this. See that grove here, that nudge? 2 45-degree angles and a flat base. This is how it needs to look like. Also very important about this, never cut further than half of the wood. You need to have more than half of the branch right here for support. But you will see this in a second. For our second piece of wood, we're going to carve a straight base. Make sure you're using long strokes, because we will need a lot of surface that we're going to ram into this other piece of wood to make it stable and fitting. Also be precise in carving and make sure that this base you're carving is going to be really neat and really flat. And again in the close-up, this is our piece that will be connected with this one. So the flat side to the bottom and then in like this. Just like this. In order to make our connector piece fit, we are going to carve it into a triangular shape. It's important that the base always stays the same, and then we're basically just subtracting material from both sides. Once we are done, we will have 2 pieces like this. One that will serve as a socket, and then our connector piece. If we take a look here, this is our base. The base has the same width as our grove has, so that if we are connecting it like so, it will fit in. See? And this is going to hold. No cordage needed, no glue, no nails. It's going to support itself and it's going to be sturdy. So the last thing we need to do in order to make that hold is batten in that wedge. And we do this carefully because we don't want one of the sides to burst off. Done. And here one final time in the close-up. This is it. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up from here. If you liked this video, please give us a like, please leave a comment, make sure you're going to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to do something good and support the stuff we do, check out the links in the description, because now we're offering merchandise with our Rathwulven Bushcraft logo. You might want to check that out. Maybe you'll find something nice like a shirt or a mug. And up until then, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day and enjoy the outdoors. Bye bye.